Now we are going to see the experiment of simulation on a single phase full converter. So the aim of the experiment to simulate the single phase full converter using OR load by the Simulink MATLAB software. So the apparatus required is a PC with a MATLAB software package. So the procedure is same, that is that by using the MATLAB software you are going to open the new model in a file, new then model. By using the Simulink library browser we are selecting the symbols, that is from the source sync and simscape we are going to choose the model from the for the circuits, and then with the model we can say connect the circuit diagram as per the circuit diagram shown given in the diagram, and then you want to save the model like a .mdl extension, and then I want to set the parameters and again want to save the model, and then you want to run the simulation for compiling any other errors are there. Then after compiling you double click the scope block and to see the output waveforms. So this is the simulation model for a single phase full converter. So in a single phase full converter we are having four thyristors. So I draw like a single phase AC input supply with four thyristors. So here see, you can see it's four thyristors. So with the help of these thyristors we going to given four pulse generator. So we can see here giving the pulse generator for four pulse generator. We are giving the pulses. Then for the resistance load, we are having the R load with the output voltage. To see the output voltage, we are having the output measured voltage V measurement here. Then your output waveforms can be seen through the scope. Then for output waveforms, you want to first initially set the AC input parameter as well as the pulse generator parameter. So uh, for a during the conduction during the positive cycle, two thyristors will be conducted at the same time. So for two thyristors we are giving same pulse. Then as for other two thyristors we are giving the same pulse. So for a combination of two thyristors we are giving one pulse generator, and other two combination of thyristors are giving one pulse generator. So for the AC input, peak amplitude of 100 volt and phase degree of 0 degree and frequency of 50 Hz is set in your AC input voltage. Then for a pulse generator parameter, so first pulse generator of 0.02 seconds with pulse width of 50 percentage and delay of phase delay of 0.002 second, and second pulse generator with 0.02 seconds with pulse width of 50 percentage as well as phase delay of 0.012 second. So after giving set the parameters, you again once again save your model, and then you run the model, and after compiling you can double click the scope. After double clicking the scope we can obtain the output waveform like this. So thus the simulation of a single phase full wave converter model is done, and the output is verified by using a MATLAB Simulink. Thank you.